Again, I already have one of my friends who's in Bitcoin. He's gonna be interested in taking a look at this property here. For a sneak peek in case it's still available. You know why? Because there's no FOMO, like authentic FOMO. This home is not, I repeat, not located in a flood zone. I just came from St. Pete Beach. So many beautiful homes from the 20s up to modern day that are just, many of them have to be raised, you know? This one here, you'll never have that problem. And I think it's the story of the 3 little pigs, right? Well, this is a brick house, okay? She's a brick house. This one is not falling down. Some houses have delusions of grandeur. This house actually has a recipe for grandeur. So just want to give you a quick sneak preview. As you can see, the roof is in great shape, even after the storm. This is a brick house, just absolutely magnificent, unbelievable. And it probably won't be available. Just want to give you a quick sneak peek in case my friend who's a Bitcoin billionaire decides to buy a different property. So anyway, Daniel Fleshman, give me a call if you're interested. 407-693-6297. This home is unbelievable. Give me a call if you'd like to check it out. Let me know if it's still available. 407-693-6297. Look forward to talking to you soon. Are you ready to move into your dream home? Let's go.